Globalization is changing how people live, work, and connect, bringing countries closer together. As technology grows and borders become less important, the world is more linked, creating both benefits and challenges for everyone. So now, let us talk about globalization in lifestyle. Our objectives are to examine how globalization of lifestyle influences daily life across cultures, to analyze the effects of globalization on food cultures worldwide, to explore the role of music in global cultural exchange and its economic impact, to investigate the influence of globalization on the global fashion industry, to discuss the unifying power of global events and the impact of online platforms on global cultural exchange and commerce. But before that, let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Jobert H.P. De Los Santos, Miss Princess Manzano, and Mary Grace L. Remo. Globalization has transformed the way people experience lifestyle, shaping food, arts, music, fashion, and sports through cultural exchanges and technological advancement. In today's interconnected world, flavors from different countries blend in culinary creations, artists share influences across borders, and musicians collaborate globally. Fashion trends travel instantly through digital platforms, and sports unite fans from different diverse backgrounds. These fusions create a dynamic global culture where traditions evolve and modern innovations emerge, making everyday life a reflection of the world diversity. While globalization enhances accessibility and creativity, it also raises discussions about cultural preservation and authenticity. Exploring its impact on these aspects of lifestyle reveals how societies continuously adapt and redefine their identities in globalized era. Globalization has greatly influenced food, reshaping culinary traditions, accessibility, fast food consumption, health, and sustainability. So these are the aspects connect specifically to food. Number one is cultural fusion, the blending of flavors. Globalization has led to a fusion of food cultures, creating exciting combinations that transcend borders. Traditional recipes are reinvented with ingredients from different countries. Sushi burritos, matcha flavor desserts, and Korean Mexican tacos are examples of how culinary traditions merge. Filipino cuisine, for instance, showcases Spanish, Chinese, and American influences, resulting in unique dishes like adobo and halo-halo. While this enhances creativity in cooking, some fear local authenticity may diminish as global trends dominate. The second one is increased accessibility. International cuisine at your fingertips. Thanks to global trade and technological advancement, people can now enjoy foreign foods more easily. Imported ingredients, online food delivery, and international restaurants allow individuals to taste cuisines from around the world without leaving their home country. Supermarkets stock products like Japanese ramen, French cheeses, and Indian spices, expanding food choices. However, this accessibility sometimes leads to dependency on imported goods, affecting local farmers and small-scale food producers. The third one is fast food expansion. So convenience over tradition. So major fast food chains have capitalized on globalization spreading across continents while adapting their menus to local tastes. Brands like McDonald's, KFC, and Starbucks introduce regional variations, such as Mac Spaghetti in the Philippines or teriyaki burgers in Japan, to fill different markets. While fast food provides quick and affordable meals, its widespread popularity often shifts eating habits away from home-cooked traditional meals. Over time, this dominance may influence younger generations to favor processed convenience food over local dishes. Health impacts the double-edged sword of global diets. Globalization has introduced both nutritious options and unhealthy eating patterns. On one hand, the accessibility of global superfoods like quinoa, chia seeds, and organic greens encourages healthier choices. On the other hand, the rise of processed food, excessive sugar consumption, and high-fat fast food diets contribute to lifestyle diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart conditions. Additionally, sedentary work cultures influenced by globalized economies can lead to decreased physical activities, worsening health concerns. Sustainability challenge the cost of mass food production. The large-scale global food industry comes with environmental concerns. Imported food items require transportation, increasing carbon emissions while mass agriculture contributes to deforestation, water depletion, and excessive waste. Fast food chains and packaged food industries create enormous amounts of plastic waste, straining sustainability efforts. However, initiatives like farm-to-table dining, organic agriculture, and zero-waste food packaging aim to counteract these challenges, promoting a more eco-friendly approach to food consumption. Globalization in food has brought convenience, diversity, and exciting new flavors, yet it also sparks discussions about health. Sustainability and cultural preservation. How do you think globalization has changed the way people eat in your community? Globalization has profoundly shaped the arts, influencing how creativity spreads, evolves, and connects cultures worldwide. So let us now talk about the globalization in arts. Number one is cross-cultural artistic influence. Art has long been a medium for cultural exchange, but globalization has accelerated this process. Techniques, styles, and themes from different regions blends, creating unique and diverse artistic expressions. For example, Japanese anime inspired Western animations, African tribal patterns appear in high fashion, and European impressions influences. Contemporary Asian paintings, these fusions enriches creativity but also sparks debates on cultural authenticity and appropriation. So the next one is digital accessibility and global reach. So technology has broken traditional barriers in the arts, enabling artists to shape their work with a worldwide audience. Social media platforms, virtual galleries, and streaming services allow musicians, painters, and filmmakers and performers as well to gain instant recognition. An independent artist in the Philippines can showcase paintings online to buyers in Europe, while filmmakers from, for example, Africa can distribute their work globally through digital platforms like Netflix. So this accessibility fosters inclusivity but also increases competition among creators. The next one is international art collaboration. Cross-border artistic collaborations have become more common, blending perspective and styles from different cultures. Film co-productions, joint exhibitions, and music collaborations bring together diverse influences. Think of how international artists collaborate in global exhibitions like Art Basel or Venice Biennale, or musicians such as Coldplay working with BTS. These partnerships create fresh artistic dialogues but also require careful cultural sensitivity. The next one is rise of pop culture and contemporary movements. Pop culture has become a dominant force in globalization, shaping trends in fashion, music, literature, and visual arts. K-pop, Hollywood movies, and contemporary arts movements spread rapidly through social media and entertainment industries. Graffiti art, hip hop music, and streetwear culture originated in specific region but have now become global symbols of artistic expression, influencing mainstream creative industries. The next one is preserving traditional arts. While globalization encourages artistic fusion, it also raises concerns about preserving indigenous and traditional art forms. Many local crafts, folk music, and historical paintings techniques face the risk of fading as global trends take center stage. Efforts to revive traditional arts through festivals, digital archiving, and education, ensuring that ancestral techniques and cultural heritage remain alive. Government and cultural organizations promote initiatives and support artisans, helping preserve authenticity in rapidly changing world. Globalization has transformed the arts into dynamic global conversation, enriching creative expression while posing challenges in cultural identity and sustainability as well.
And now, I will be discussing the multifaceted impact of globalization on three key areas of global culture: fashion, music, and sports. We will explore how these industries have been reshaped by interconnected markets, technological advancements, and shifting cultural dynamics. First, let's talk about the fashion. The fashion industry is a microcosm of globalization's complexities. Pag sinabi nating microcosm, ay maaari itong tumukoy sa isang bagay na maliit, ngunit naglalaman ng mga katangian ng isang malaking kabuuan, parang mini version kumbaga. Sa mundo ng fashion, umiiral ang tinatawag na economic complexity. isang komplikadong proseso ng produksyon at pagbebenta na kadalasan mura nga ang damit pero kapalit nito ay ang pagod ng mga manggagawang mababa ang sahod at walang maayos na kondisyon sa trabaho. Habang ini-enjoy natin yung tinatawag nating trendy outfits, may mga taong nagtatrabaho ng mahabang oras para lang makagawa nito. Next is its cultural significance. Sabi nga nila, hindi lang basta tela ang damit. It represents identity. Mula kimono ng Japan hanggang Filipiniana ng Pilipinas, may malalim itong kahulugan sa bawat lipunan. Pero dahil sa impluensya ng global brands at social media, kumakalat ang Western trends sa buong mundo. Unti-unting nawawala ang lokal na fashion identity sa Pilipinas dahil mas pinipili ng marami ang international look tulad ng hoodies, sneakers, at minimalist styles. Pangatlo ay ang contradictory trends. Mabilis magbago ang fashion at ngayon mas marami pa ang bumabasag sa traditional beauty standards. Tumatanggap na ang industriya ng modest fashion na tumutugon sa religious at cultural values. Malaki rin ang epekto ng influencers at fashion bloggers sa popular na style. Pinapakita nito na flexible at consumer-driven ang nature ng fashion industry. Last is its globalization's impact. Dahil sa globalization, sobrang bilis na ng fashion trend cycles. Kung may bagong trend sa isang bansa, madalas ilang linggo lang ay kalat na sa buong mundo. On one hand, nagkakaroon ng pagkapareho ng styles, pero on the bright side, nagbubukas din ito ng opportunities for cross-cultural collaborations. Halimbawa, sikat na ngayon ang K-pop fashion hindi lang sa Asia, kundi pati na rin sa Western countries. We are now done with fashion, and now let's talk about the globalization's lifestyle when it comes to music. As they say, music perhaps is more than any other art form. Rather, it transcends geographical boundaries. Global artists and connectivity. Mga artists sa Lady Gaga ay malawak na ang reach nila. Through music and social media, nakaka-connect sila with fans from all over the world. Pinapakita nito kung gaano ka-powerful ang music pagdating sa pag-bridge ng cultural differences at kung paano ito nakakapagbuo ng isang global fanbase. Influence of streaming platforms. Thanks to streaming platforms like Spotify at YouTube, sobrang nabago na ang way natin mag-consume at mag-share ng music. Kahit saan ka man galing na artist, pwede ka na kaagad mag-release ng music sa buong mundo. Ang galing kasi na-encourage nito yung collaboration at exchange ng culture through music. At grabe rin yung dami ng independent artists na sumisikat dahil sa platform nila. Patuloy lang na mas nagiging democratic ang music industry dahil sa technology. We are now done with music, kaya ngayon ay usapang sports naman tayo. Alam niyo ba, laging may global appeal ang sports, pero dahil sa globalization, mas lumawak pa ito. Global sporting events. Halimbawa na lang World Cup at Olympics. Mga malaking event na nagsasama-sama ng bilyong taon from all over the world. Sa kabila ng matinding competition, nagbibigay sila ng shared experience at cultural exchange sa mga bansa. Economic and environmental influences. Pero dahil global na ang sports, may mga challenges din. Malaki ang economic impact ng pag-host ng mga ganitong events at malaki rin ang environmental footprint lalo na sa dami ng international travel involved. Kaya importanteng pag-isipan ng sustainable at responsible na practices sa sports industry. Another thing, hindi mawawala ang mga issues at controversies na kaakibat nito dahil hindi lahat ng epekto ng globalization ay positibo. Cultural homogenization versus hybridization. Sa isang banda, pwedeng magresulta ang globalization sa pagkakapare-pareho ng kultura, lalo na dahil sa Western influence na nag-dominate sa global trends. Pero on the other hand, pwede rin itong maging lead sa cultural hybridization, yung pagsasama-sama ng iba't ibang kultura para makabuo ng bagong expressions. Ang tanong, magkakaroon ba tayo ng bland global culture o isang vibrant mix ng iba't ibang panlasa? Globalized consumerism. Ang paglaganap ng global brands at produkto ay nakakabahala rin para sa mga lokal na negosyo at cultural identities. Minsan natatabunan ng Western consumer culture ang mga local traditions at kaugalian. Debate on cultural dynamics. May patuloy na debate kung dapat bang kabahan tayo sa homogenization o yakapin ng hybridization. Sa realidad, parehong nangyayari ang dalawa. Minsan sabay-sabay at sabay ring nagko-conflict. Kaya dapat napagmatsyag tayo sa epekto ng globalization para mapanatili ang cultural depth. Sa kabuuan, malaki ang impluwensya ng globalization sa fashion, music at sports. Maraming oportunidad ang nagbubukas pero may kaakibat itong hamon sa kultura at sustainability. Dapat maging mapanuri tayo kung paano natin ito tinatanggap. Ang goal, maging globally connected habang pinapangalagaan ang ating local identity.
Through the internet, the distance between different countries, cities, and people has become within reach. Since many people use technology, it has become an essential tool in their daily lives, such as online shopping. Due to globalization, shopping and purchasing products from any part of the world have become easier through online shopping. Suki 2016 states that expansion of the internet worldwide, along with the growing popularity of online shopping, has improved accessibility to various products and services. For example, access to global markets. Since the internet reaches worldwide, it has become the reason why people are increasingly interested in online shopping. Consumers can now purchase products from different countries online. Buyers can shop from international sellers without needing to travel or visit the country where the products originates. Next is e-commerce platforms. We are all familiar with platforms like Shopee, Amazon, and others, which play a vital role in the globalization in terms of online shopping. These platforms connect buyers and sellers worldwide, making transaction and product shipments across different countries easier and more efficient. Last is the cultural exchange and trends. In the Philippines, Filipinos have a tendency to admire fashion from other countries. For example, fashion trends from abroad are now being adopted by Filipinos. Online shopping contributes to cultural exchange as consumers discover and embrace trends from various regions. Clothing, food, lifestyle products, and more quickly become a global trends as they are shared and accepted worldwide online. But there are also challenges that can be faced, such as unequal opportunities for local producers, because sometimes local producers are forgotten and international or larger companies are being recognized more. Another issue is the homogenization of cultures, specifically in fashion, which occurs when people follow the fashions of other nations. People adopt what is trendy in other countries where local traditions may be overshadowed by dominant global trends. In conclusion, globalization has significant impact in different aspects of people's lifestyle in terms of food, music, fashion, sports, and others. Here in our country, its influence can be seen in various types of cuisine, genres of music, which once a music became a trend, it serves as one of the lifestyle. In global competition or events, there are the Olympics, in which different countries show their talents and skills, and it is how globalization brings people together despite borders. With more advanced technology and also due to e-commerce platforms, the buying and selling of products online have become faster and easier without the need for a buyer to leave their location. Beyond all of this, a critical perspective is also needed to balance the benefit of culture, products, and service exchanges related to people's lifestyle worldwide. Lastly, for global progress, it is crucial to be mindful and have a well-balanced perspective, allowing globalization to foster inclusivity, cultural diversity, and sustainability. The future of global lifestyle will be shaped by how effectively people all over the country embrace their culture, diversity, and their lifestyle for sustainability and global development.